Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's Motivational Monday, I am deep cleaning my master bedroom. I do this every Thursday morning before my work, before I go down and have breakfast. It typically takes me about 15 minutes to get through the room, depending on how messy it is. This is still my work day, so that's why you can see the playpen. And you also saw I started some Christmas decorating, so I decorated my mantle, which was part of the challenge. I will link the challenge in a corner if you want to see how I did that. So I'm going to stop talking and let you get motivated by watching me clean my master bedroom, and maybe will get you motivated to clean yours. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I do cleaning videos at least once a week, and I always find them very motivating. So make sure if you're not subscribed to subscribe. It's free. And if you're returning, thank you so much, and hope you enjoy it.
I don't wanna be your sweet lemonade. I don't wanna quench your thirst when you got the crave. I'm not posters on your wall. I'm a human after all, and I'm tired of being emotional. I've got news for you. You can rip my feathers out. Sun winds over clouds this time. I won't be stuck with you. No more kisses, no more shout outs. I see you in the shadows when I lay awake. I hear you how you sigh like an earthquake. No blisters on my hands. I refuse to take a stand. I'm tired of being emotional. I've got news for you. You can't rip my feathers out.
Hope you guys enjoyed this motivational video. It was a short one. I typically vacuum in the afternoon, not the first thing in the morning, because my family still is asleep, some of them. So make sure you are subscribed if you haven't done so already, and you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook under Domestic Diva 76. So if you're not following me there, I would love it if you did. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.